Hi. Here at the Schomer Show, we care about the environment, and so we're going to try some lead-free ammunition. This is a 45 long gun. So, solid brass projectile. We'll be dropping it down. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get that sign down there. Alright, solid brass projectile, the 45 33.
That was awesome. That's gonna be. Yeah, I probably will. This, you know, the only thing missing from this shot, Bob Hansler. That's pretty out there. The Oklahoma sky. All right, Kevin, go ahead and give him the.
Hi! Welcome to the Schomer Show. This was a camping spot on the Chisholm Trail, and the cowboys come and scratch stuff into the rocks, but right there's some feet prints, if you can see them.
Actually, they're showing up pretty good on the camera.
Sweet! And right here's a squiggly line.
Oh, flipped around. There's a little jacked up foot there.